All right, let's look at the Home Business Academy All-in-One Business 2026, a 100% done-for-you system that you can tap into today and start generating leads, and we are going to show you how to do that as well. Now, when I joined the Home Business Academy years ago, they had a system called the 30-minute workday, and what you had to do, you simply entered your affiliate link for the Home Business Academy and for Get Response, and it had training in there, and the only thing you had to do was to get your link and start sharing your link, and it even provided the traffic sources during that time. Well, about a week later after I joined, they discontinued that, and they came out with the all-in-one $25 digital business, which was another system that they set up. But the honest truth about that all-in-one $25 digital business at the time, it was not all in one, simply because you had to set up the funnel that they gave you. So you had to go in the back office, get the funnel in your system, change out all the affiliate links and get that done. Then you had to set up an autoresponder, which meant you had to get response, Aweber, or some type of autoresponder. And then you had to set up that autoresponder. You had to get the emails, put them in autoresponder, which doing all of that took time. You had to get all of those things set up. And then you had to get a domain name because you didn't want to use that big, long, ugly affiliate link that they gave us. So you had to get a domain name from Namecheap, Cloudflare, GoDaddy, or whoever, even from the Home Business Academy. And then you have to connect that domain name to the system, which meant some other steps that you had to do. So it really was not a complete done for you system. Okay, $25 business, although it was $25, it was not completely done. What they have done now is really flip the script, and now it is a true all-in-one business that you can tap into. The only thing you have to do is grab your affiliate link and start sharing your affiliate link. And as I said before, we even show you how to do that now. If you are a brand new beginner in affiliate marketing, you want to get something that's going to get you up and going fast. You want to hit the ground running so you can start getting results. Okay, so that's what I'm going to show you in this video. But before we get there, I'm going to show you some of the testimonials from the people who are actually using the system, and then I'm going to take you inside of the back office of the Home Business Academy app or the HBA app. Then I'm going to show you the funnel that you're going to get, and then I'm going to show you how you can get started. Anytime you're ready to get started, you can click the link that's in the description below. So now let's go ahead on and look at some of the testimonials. So here we are on the testimonial page. What are people saying? These are the reviews that people have left, and when you join, you're able to leave a review right here as well. You can come in here and search reviews to see what people have said. I guess if I type in great, you'll see all of the reviews about great and things like that. Whatever you type in here, it does that for you. So you can do that right there. So you see Demarius, I don't know what that is, but he gave it 5 stars. Tommy here, all of these people are in the Home Business Academy, and the pages go all the way up to 19 pages. Okay, there's my review right there. So I even left my review, so you can come and check out and test out and read all of these reviews. So you want to do that. So if you want to, you're looking for some Home Business Academy reviews, here they are. You can check them out here. Now, inside of the Home Business Academy back office, this is what you're going to get access. If you look over here at the live recognition, you're going to see people earning residual income. This just continues to go on and on and on, day in and day out. And your name, when you when you join me today, your name is going to show up over here that you won. You either purchase Let's Go, you purchase the funnel builder, or you purchase premium. Okay, and then it's going to show that I got a sale. So this is a recognition over here just to to encourage people. And so it just goes, like I said, just goes on and on. Here I am right here, earn the residual income, earn residual income. So it does work if you're willing to put in the work. If we come down through here, what I call a social feed, okay, well, you can come in here and ask questions, but the best place to ask your question is over here to Sage, okay? She can answer all of your questions for you. They have keyed it up or queued it up to answer those questions. So if we come down through here, we look at this guy named David, okay? He said, I never introduced myself to the house. My name is Dave. I'm from Vigilo, California. He's from California. I've been in network marketing and affiliate marketing since 2011 in various companies. I couldn't figure out how to create a website, all the things that go with it, even with instruction. Then in 2020, I came across a nearly done for you website system. Recently, my mentor coach introduced me to this, and what we get for what we spend is ridiculous in an amazing way. It's great to be here to learn and share or with others here. So that's a great testimonial right there from a person who has struggled. You see that he struggled, you know, even with another done for you system that was supposed to be, he struggled, but now he's with us and we want you to join us as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to come in here and you're going to see this back office. Now you're going to get Let's Go, the Funnel Builder, and Premium. And if you want the whole to be able to earn on everything, go ahead on and get the Financial Literacy Academy as well. Okay, because that's going to open up everything to you. So once you get started and click the link in the description, I'm going to come back to this page. You're going to come to a page that looks just like this. You are going to get this page. Okay, don't worry about it. This page is going to be yours exactly like this. The only thing you have to do is grab your link, share your link, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Okay, once you enter your information here, it's going to take you to this page right here, and these are the same steps that your prospects are going to go through, or the people that you introduce this to. I don't really like to say prospect. You're just going to share it with people. Either they see the vision and the value, or they don't. It's just that simple. Okay, so you watch this 3-minute video by Paul. Anytime you have a question, you come over and click this little bubble in the corner. Okay, Sage is going to pop up, ask your question. She does this for everyone. If you have any questions, ask your questions here. She's going to answer them and try to close you at the same time. So when you send someone here and they ask her a question, she's going to question them in such a way to try to close them and get them to sign up for you and answer all of their questions so you don't have to. So that's what Sage does. Read all of this right here. Right now we have paid over $7 million in affiliate commissions. I say we because we are a family, and I feel like I'm a part of that family. I am a part of that family. So you're going to read the information on the page, because when you read this information and soak it up, it's going to give you some ideas for ads and content that you can use on your social media or for creating videos just like I'm doing right now. Okay, so you're going to come down through here. Look, Victor just earned a residual commission. So this pops up whenever someone is reading the page. If you're a prospect to read, Kim right there, okay, just earn a residual income. Anytime somebody's reading this page, it's going to pop out over here showing proof that the system is working. Okay, you have videos here that you can watch those videos anywhere you see in blue. Okay, watch the numbers. Over $7 million in affiliate commission. This is updated for today, March the 8th. I got a feeling that before July gets here, I just have an honest feeling that we're going to be at 7.5 million or $8 million. I know we'll be there before the year's out, but I'm just naming that and claiming it right now. And I'm going to be a part of this, and I want you to be a part of this as well. Don't you want to be a part of something that is not only helping you make money? Look at Dee, not only helping you make money, but it's going to help the people that you share this with make money as well. If you focus on this and put away all the distraction, the shiny object syndrome, don't get caught up in all this shiny stuff that's going to pop up in your news feed on Facebook or inbox in your email. Just focus on this. You can see some results with it. So you see that over $7 million. And below you can see what you can earn off of each product. The $10 a month Let's Go app, that's your investment. You earn $8 residual. $25 a month for the funnel builder, $20 residual. Harold just earned residual income, $125 a month for premium is $100 residual. All three can earn you $128 in residual income for as long as the person remains a member. Okay, so 2 referrals, you in positive cash flow. This is your actual income projection of what you could earn in residual income. If you want $3,000 a month, 24 people, 5 or 25 people is all it takes for you to earn $3,072. Once your fee comes out or your investment comes out for the month, you're going to be at $2,912 per month in residual income. This is all dependent upon you, not you depending upon your downline or your left leg, your right leg, your peg leg, none of that stuff right there. This is dependent upon you sharing this and making it work for you. Okay, so that's what's going to happen. So you're going to come down here, you get to see the price on each product, the Let's Go information in the video, HBA funnel builder information in the video, the premium information in the video. Okay, in the video. Then you're going to come down here, you're going to see my picture of me and my beautiful wife, and you're going to just pick the triple residual income starter pack. Get started today for $35. These are the exact steps that your particular person that you share this with, or people or avatar, your target market that you share this with, they're going to do the same thing. Click this button right here and get started. It's just that simple. Okay, you have to own the products in order to earn. So if you just have Let's Go, that's the only thing you earn on. If you have Let's Go and the funnel builder, then you earn on both of those products. That's why I say if you go all in, now you're covered. Okay, so you can get started for $35, 7 million, 10 years stable, over 2,000 plus members, and have paid help with feeding the starving children 406,000 days of meals. You get a 3-day money back guarantee. So the question becomes, are you ready to get started? And when you get started, what is it that you have to do to make this work for you? So let me show you this right here. You're going to come into the system, okay? And you're simply going to come over here to where it says affiliate up here. Click on affiliate, okay? Watch this video. This video walks you through the entire step of how to get started with getting your first lead, because we give you marketing resources right here, and we have something what is called a download inviter, which means that it's going to it's connected to your Facebook account, okay? And your friends are going to be able to receive a message that is already done for you, okay? You just have to use the downloader. I'm going to show you that in a minute. We're going to give you an email that you can put into your Gmail account. Just simple, that when someone asks for the information, you get their email, you can send it to them just like that. What I have done, if I come over here to my Gmail and let me get into it, I have actually taken that message, and if I click on compose, and if I come down here to these 3 little dots, more options, I go to templates, I come up here and say, I saved it, because if you want to save it, you can. I saved it here. It automatically puts it in there. The only thing I have to do is put the person email in here, their name here, and their name here, and then send it off. It is good to go. So that is done. You can do that just to make things a lot simpler. Okay, so you can do that. Now, let me come over here and go to Facebook right quick, because if I open up Facebook, okay, because this is where you can actually start sharing. You can put information on your personal page about your business, what you're doing, all of that good stuff right here, okay? You're going to get views, you're going to get people looking at it. You want people to know that you are in business, right? Okay, so we have what is called, let's go back over here and look at that again, what is called the Facebook Downloader Inviter, okay? These are for people that you already have for friends on your list. So it's a blue little button button up here, a blue icon up here. You're going to open up that divider, and I can come down through here and send a message to all of the people in here, okay, who are not already in HBA or in the Home Business Academy. Those that are already in, it will let you know, okay? So you can't send them a message. But if you want to take your family and, you know, your family off of it, like your mom, your dad, your sisters, your brother, your cousin, your nieces, your nephews, your uncles, co-workers, and things like that, you can uncheck them, and then it's going to send a message for you that's already done. It's going to put in their name already, and you click start inviting. It's going to invite 10 people per day. That's it. You keep your computer on and you let this run in the background. Don't do any messaging in your messenger at all. Once someone responds yes or no, whatever it is, if they say yes, ask them for their email. Come over to your Google account, pull up this right here, put in their email up here, their name, boom, send it to them. Go back over to the messenger and tell them, look, thank you, I have sent you the message, because what this email does, it takes them straight to this page right here, okay, for them to sign up and get going, and they will let you know whether or not they're going to do it. If not, you can follow up with them a few days later. So that's how the simple little done for you system works, okay? This is truly now an all-in-one done for you business, okay, by the Home Business Academy, that can help you earn residual income. So I recommend right now that you go to this, click the link that's in the description, go to this page, get signed up, get started today. Don't hesitate, okay? Don't put off for tomorrow what you can do today. If you're serious about changing the situation that you're in and you're ready to focus on something that's going to work for you, then I highly recommend that you get started today. They are constantly adding new tools and resources in here to help you be successful. All of the training is over here on the left hand side. For premium, the training is here. Funnel Builder Academy, the training is here. You're going to have access to the Let's Go app, so your mindset, your daily training, all of that right there. The affiliate fast start, get you going quick, fast, and in a hurry. And you're going to get 2 weeks free of the premium anyway, so you can come in and check out the mastermind. So get started. Click the link in the description. I'm looking forward to working with you. I want you to check out the next video that pops up on the screen somewhere. Also, the cards up there, it's going to take you to some other videos. Now get started today. Now I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.